How to change and configure spam settings on AOL Mail. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from the Solution Guy. In this guide video, I'll show you the way on how you can actually configure spam email settings on the AOL Mail. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, what you want to do is you will not be able to configure the spam settings from the AOL Mail app. So instead we have to log in from our browser. So simply go ahead and then open up any of the browser that you have. Once you open your browser, you want to simply go to mail.aol.com. I will also make sure to leave this link down in the description box. Simply go to mail.aol.com and make sure you're logged into your account. Now by default you'll see this kind of interface. So if you're on mobile, you have to switch to the desktop side. If you're on desktop, it's already fine, but just in case you're on mobile like me, just tap on the three dots over here and then you have to request the desktop side, because from the mobile version of the browser the features are very limited. And once you switch to the desktop side, you'll see this kind of interface. Now what you have to do is, if you're not really visible on the top right side, let me just zoom in and show it for you. You can see this little options button over here. Just tap on this options button and go to the option called email settings. Just go ahead and tap on email settings. As you tap on email settings, you will see all these types of various options. Now previously, if you look on the left hand side, you have multiple options. We used to have an option called spam settings or spam emails, but unfortunately AOL has simply removed that. So the only way to configure spam settings on AOL Mail is to go to the option called filter settings. Once you go to filter settings, all we have to do is we have to create a filter. So tap on the create filter button over here. As you tap on the create filter button, you'll see all the sorts of various types of interface. So as you can see over here, it says look for incoming messages matching all of the following. So you have to simply give a name for your filter. I will simply select, let's say, spam filter or anything, and you can just type in a name for your filter. This is really a custom filter, by the way, so you can configure this yourself. And you have to go to the option called from or contains, or any type of keywords and any type of messages or any type of thing that you don't want to receive, you can simply include them here. And once you've done so, you can also tap on the plus button and in order to add more keywords and so on. And you can see, note the following characters are not allowed in filter criteria, such as this symbols and so on. But basically this is it. And what you can do is, if you want to configure this, you have to select where you want these messages to go. If it contains these keywords, tap on move to folder and you can select archive or move to folder such as this, or you can select new, move to new folder and so on. And all you have to do is tap on the save button over here. As you tap on the save button, you can go ahead and then simply actually configure the filter and spam settings in this way. And this is simply how you can go ahead and then control the spam settings of AOL. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.